What if I told you there's an artificial intelligence that can craft compelling stories, seamlessly bridge language barriers, and converse with you almost like a human? This remarkable capability comes courtesy of large language models, or LMs. These complex systems are immersed in vast pools of textual data, granting them the power to comprehend and generate human language with extraordinary precision. The inner workings of LMs are a marvel. They scrutinize language patterns, predicting the next word or phrase. This proficiency enables them to produce text that's not just grammatically sound, but also flows naturally. LMs transcend boundaries. They birth chatbots like ChatGPT, which can hold engaging conversations, and power algorithms like Google Bard, which revolutionize search engine results by understanding context and user intent. LMs hold the promise of redefining our interactions with technology, streamlining our lives for efficiency. But we can't overlook concerns surrounding bias, misinformation, and potential misuse. As LMs advance, it becomes imperative to establish ethical guidelines and ensure responsible use. With conscientious development and responsible application, LMs have the potential to illuminate a brighter future for all. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of large language models. To stay updated on the latest advancements in AI and explore more fascinating topics, make sure to subscribe to AI TechCraft. Your support means the world to us as we continue to unravel the mysteries of technology together.